Hello class, now we're starting on lesson 5.2 and 5.3. This lesson is going to be adding two-digit number by a one-digit number and a two-digit number by a two-digit number, and there's going to be regrouping involved. So right now what we have is our tens frames. We model 28 with two tens and our 8 ones in the tens frame, so that's our 28. And the bottom here is just modeling 6. Notice that there's no tens over here. So when we add 28 and 6, what we're going to do is going to take 2 away here to fill in a 10 up here. Now what that does for us is creating a 10 that we're going to trade in for a 10 block. So what we have here now to model this number is 3 tens, and let's see how many ones we have left over. So we traded in these two, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 ones to equal 34. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a two-digit number by a two-digit number. So we have the number 28 and 34. We're going to be adding these together, so 28 plus 34. Once again, we model the 2 tens and 8 ones. The 8 ones are in the tens frames, and for 34 we're modeling the 3 tens and the 4 ones over here. So what we first want to do is add the ones. So we're going to be taking 2 away from here and then putting them into the blank spots up here. So all that's doing is making another 10 that we can now trade in. So that 10 ones is the same as 110. Now, the tens are going to work together. We're not going to see these as 3 tens and 3 tens. We're going to be combining them to make 6 tens. So we have 6 tens and then 2 ones left over. So adding 28 and 34 is now going to give us the answer of 62. Now for our last one, we're going to be adding 46 plus 17. Now these are both two-digit numbers, so that means they both have some sort of tens, and then they do have something in the ones place, so we're modeling those in the tens frames as well. So the first number that we modeled was 46. The second number that we modeled was 17, 1, 10, 7 ones. So once again, we're going to start by trying to complete a tens frame. So I'm going to see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 empty spots up here. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 and then put them into the other tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what that did now is it makes a 10 for me. That 10 gets traded in. The 10 ones is the same as 110. So we have 4 tens up here. We have 2 tens down here now. They're going to work together again. 4 tens plus 2 tens gives me 6 tens. And looking at the ones, we have 1, 2, 3 left over for a sum of 63. So that's how you add two-digit numbers together, by using the tens frames and then trading them in to make a 10 if we fill one of them up. We'll be getting into this tomorrow, so watch this video and please post a comment of something that you learned from this video.